In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Wix site to Google Search Console. This is an important step to make sure your website can be found on Google and starts appearing in search results. First, make sure your Wix site is published. If your site isn't live yet, Google won't be able to detect or index it. Once your site is published, go to your Wix dashboard and open the Marketing and SEO section. From there, click on SEO Tools to access your SEO settings. Inside the SEO dashboard, check that the option allowing search engines to index your site is turned on. This setting is essential because it gives Google permission to crawl and index your pages. Without it, your site may not show up in search results at all. Next, stay inside the SEO dashboard and look for the SEO setup checklist. Wix uses this checklist to guide you through important SEO steps. In the first step, you'll see an option called Connect to Google. Click on it to begin the connection process. Wix will automatically handle the verification for Google Search Console, so you don't need to manually add codes or upload files. Once the process is complete, your Wix site will be successfully linked to Google Search Console. That's it. Your website is now connected, and you can start tracking performance, indexing status, and search visibility directly from Google Search Console. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more guides to improve your Wix site's SEO.